and welcome back to my channel. If you're here today, then I take it you want to learn some Gujarati and you're in the right place. I am going to teach you some Gujarati today. In today's lesson, I'm really going basic. So very simple and easy sentences that will hopefully help you, whether you're traveling to India, whether you've got a Gujarati partner that you want to impress, or whether you want to, just learn the basics to maybe interact with your relatives. So I'm hoping that these are really, really simple and basic sentences that you can use and hopefully should be useful to you. So to say my name is, I'm going to use my own name as an example. So my name is Riya. It would be Maru naam Riya che. So Maru naam Riya che. So I'm really going to break it down. So it's Ru naam Riya che. Maru naam Riya che. And that's how you would say my name is. And in order to say what is your name, I think that really depends on who you're speaking to. So if you're speaking to, let's say, your grandparents, you would say Tamaru. So you would use Tamaru naam su che. So Tamaru is just like a respectful way of saying, what's your name? I know in English we say you to, everyone, regardless of age and who they are, but in Gujarati it's slightly different. So for a grandparent you say Tamaru naam su che, and then for someone who's in similar age to you, let's say, or younger than you, or like a friend, you would say Taru. So you say Taru naam su che. Okay, so let me really break that down so it's simple. So it's, for grandparents, it's Ta Ma Ru Naam Su Che. Tamaru naam su che. Okay, and then for someone like your own age or your friend, you would say Taru. So it's Ta Ru Naam Su che. Taru naam su che. Say it's good, you would say Saru che. Okay, so Sa Ru Che. Saru che. It's good. So you might use that when you're in a shop and maybe you're feeling, I don't know, like a material of a sari or something, and you can say, oh, Saru che. Like, it's good. Okay. If you want to say it's not good, then it's Saru nati. Okay, so that's Sa Ru na ti. Saru nati. So that's just, it's not good. Or if you want to say it's bad, you will say Karab che. Karab che. So that means it's bad. Okay, so it's good is Saru che. It's not good is sarunati, and it's bad is karab che. So here are some nice and easy ones to remember, and hopefully they'll be useful to you as well. So you can say, you might want to say, where is it? So where is it? So that's kya che. Kya che. So where is it? And also why is gem. Alright, so why is gem? Gem. It's nice and easy. And also very important ones, yes and no. So yes is ha. It's just nice and easy, just ha. And no is na. So na. Alright, so that's kya che, which is where is it? Gem, which is why. Ha, which is yes. And na, which is no. So in order to say I like it, you can say mane game che. So mane game che. So I'm going to break it up for you. So I like it is ma ne ga me che. Mane game che. Okay? And in order to say I don't like it is ma ne na ti gam to. Mane na ti gam to. Alright? So I like it is mane game che. And I don't like it is mane nati gamto. Mane nati gamto. Alright? In order to say it's hot, and I don't mean like the weather it's hot, it's more to do with, let's say, the food. So if the food is hot, you can say garam che, as if to say like don't touch it, it's hot, or something like that. So it's hot is garam, so you'll say garam che. Okay, so I'll just break it down for you. So it's ga ram che, garam che, it's hot. And cold means tandu. So if the food isn't warm enough, you can just say tandul chair, you know, or a cold drink, you say tandul chair. So in order to say that, it's tan du chair, tandul chair, and that's it's cold. Okay, so garam chair and tandul chair. So it's hot, it's cold. Gujarati, there isn't a word to say bye as such. Like you wouldn't say bye or goodbye. I think because you just don't say goodbye, maybe. But a way of saying bye is avjor. But avjor in the literal sense is actually come again. So avjor means, you know, come again. But you'd say avjor as in bye, like avjor, like you'd use it as bye. So you can say avjor. So when I break it down for you, it's avjor. So avjor. You can also say bachimalia, but you wouldn't really say like bachimalia as in bye, but it's something that you would say when you're just about to leave. You'd be like bachimalia, which basically means we'll meet again. So bachimalia. So that when I break it down is ba, chi, mal, ya. Bachimalia. Bachimalia. So that's how you would say it or pronounce it, bachimalia. So yeah, it's quite nice actually that we don't have a goodbye. But yeah, it's quite sweet, I think. So yeah. That's it for today's lesson. Nice and easy. I hope that was enough to kind of warm you up. And I hope that wasn't too difficult as well. So if you're completely new and you don't know any Gujarati, then I hope that was enough to kind of warm you up and get you kind of understanding, you know, little words, and I hope they will be very, very useful to you as well. And if you like the video, then please subscribe and message me. You know, I'd love to know what you'd want to learn, so I can base my videos around that. And yeah, so please subscribe and like. Thank you.